Okay, let us continue our mathematics class still on polygons. Today we want to consider 2D shapes. 2D shapes. 2D shapes. The D there stands for dimensional. Dimensional. So 2D shapes are also known as two-dimensional shapes. Two-dimensional shapes. Two-dimensional shapes are shapes that have length and breadth. Two-dimensional shapes are shapes that have length and breadth. They have length and breadth. They have length and breadth, or you can call it width. They have length and breadth. 2D shapes are shapes that have length and breadth. They are shapes that we can cut out from cardboard using our scissors. 2D shapes are shapes that we can cut out from cardboard using scissors. So any shape that you can cut out from cardboard using scissors is called a two-dimensional shape. It's called a two-dimensional shapes. Example of two-dimensional shapes are trapezium, square, rectangles, circles, rhombus. All these type of shapes, triangles, are called two-dimensional shapes. Examples of two-dimensional shapes, I said triangle, square, rectangle, rhombus, trapezium, circle. Which other one again should I write? Okay, let me just stop there. These are some of the examples of two-dimensional shapes. The pentagon, the hexagon, nonagon, octagon, decagon, undecagon, duodecagon. They are all two-dimensional shapes. They are all two-dimensional shapes because we can cut them, we can have them out from cardboard using our scissors or our blades. Shapes that we can cut out from cardboard using scissors or blades are what we call the two-dimensional shapes. They are called the two-dimensional shapes. Quickly, we want to look at the types of two-dimensional shapes. Types of two-dimensional shapes. We have the regular. We have regular 2D shapes. And we have irregular 2D shapes. I said the types of two-dimensional shapes are the regular 2D shapes and the irregular 2D shapes. We have the regular two-dimensional shapes and the irregular two-dimensional shapes. Today, I will quickly run through the regular two-dimensional shapes. Are you there with me, leaders? Good. Let us consider regular 2D shapes. Regular 2D shapes. Regular two-dimensional shapes are shapes that have equal sides. Regular two-dimensional shapes are the shapes or the polygons that have all the sides equal. Regular two-dimensional shapes, I said, are shapes or polygons that have all their sides equal. All the sides or edges are equal in a two-dimensional shape that is regular. All the sides will be equal. So we have regular pentagon. Let me start with squares. Examples. Let me start with squares. One, we have square. A square has all the sides equal. Two, we have equilateral triangle. We have equilateral triangle. We have square as a regular two-dimensional shape. We have equilateral triangle that has a triangle that has all the sides equal. It's equilateral. A triangle that has all the sides equal is called equilateral. Note that. So we have equilateral triangle. Then we also have regular pentagon. Regular pentagon. Regular pentagon. Don't forget I said a pentagon has 5 sides. A pentagon has 5 sides. So we can also have pentagon that have all the sides equal. All the sides of the pentagon equal. All the sides of the pentagon equal. Such a pentagon that has equal sides is also called a regular two-dimensional shape. We also have regular hexagon. Regular hexagon. Which means that this hexagon, which is a shape that has 6 sides, this hexagon, all the 6 sides are equal. So these are some of the examples that are regular two-dimensional shapes. Remember, I said two-dimensional shapes are shapes that we can cut out from our cardboard using scissors. I said they have length and breadth. They have length and breadth, and I gave you examples of two-dimensional shapes as triangle, square, rectangle, rhombus, trapezium, and circle. And I went on to telling you the types of two-dimensional shapes that we have. We have the regular two-dimensional shape and the irregular two-dimensional shapes. Then I've discussed the regular two-dimensional shapes. I said regular two-dimensional shapes have all the sides or edges equal. And I've given you examples: square, equilateral triangle, regular pentagon, regular hexagon, regular heptagon, regular octagon, regular decagon. All those shapes can also be regular. So don't forget what we've treated today. You can replay the video to help you have a better understanding of what we've done today in our two-dimensional shapes. I'm going to see you in the next class. Remain studious and ensure you make mommy proud. Thank you.